cases.
Yep.
What do you see as the biggest impact from your experiences monitoring both Pavilion and your own experiences building the community? Where are you hearing the biggest impact use cases for both sales and marketing? I think you started to touch on it, but maybe we can go a level deeper.
Sure. So I think a lot of people, at least a year ago, thought that AI was going to be some silver bullet and magically transform their SDR team in the sense of, hey, you can just buy an AI SDR and call it a day, and they're going to close more business than your average rep. And certainly, we have seen some success stories around that, but they are definitely the exception, not the rule, when it comes to implementing AI. So I think one of the challenges that companies are facing, sales and marketing teams, at least maybe last year, was this desire to sort of go all in and not explore like, hey, let's walk before we run, right? And so where I'm finding the biggest impact, at least across my team and also in the Pavilion community, we have a channel. If you're a Pavilion member, there's a channel called AI in GTM. And that channel is one of our biggest channels in Pavilion, and everybody's talking about how they're adopting AI in their go-to-market motions. But really, the key use case that we're seeing to make the biggest impact as quickly as possible is around enablement, sales enablement, marketing enablement, but particularly sales enablement when it comes to account research, person research of somebody you're about to speak to, doing some light personalization of emails, and then having the rep take a look at that personalization, make some tweaks, and then send it. That's another really key use case there, versus this, like, I guess, nirvana, this vision that I think a lot of companies had last year was, hey, we could just put this on autopilot. Like, we are not there yet. Most organizations are not there yet. A lot of organizations lack the foundational infrastructure to even make that happen. So where I'm really, really bullish on is, and what I'm working on personally at Pavilion, is creating a central knowledge base of everything that Pavilion does in a series of tables inside of a single database. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is you have a table of all your customers, you have a table of all your prospects. This is all living in Salesforce for us, but you have a table of all this stuff. And then you also have a table of, for Pavilion's case, we offer continuing education through courses. You have a table of every single course with its date and its link. You have a table of every single podcast with the podcast link, the transcription, so that when you build these AI workflows, whether you build them using Zapier or something and you had a step for ChatGPT, or you're using a tool like Copy AI, whatever you're using to sort of operationalize AI, you need the AI to reference a consistent thing. And the challenge is, especially when it comes to teams, each kind of using their own point solution, is you're not referencing a single knowledge base. You're not referencing a single source of truth of the data that you want to stay consistent across the company. And that's not to mention even brand voice concerns too. So it's like not just like the data you're referencing, but also how you I guess take that data and explain it and provide that consistent brand voice when you're like personalizing an email, for example. So yeah, really where I'm bullish on and where I'm seeing a lot of companies really focus is on enabling sales reps with the right information about the account, giving them internal tools to be able to quickly search. Hey, in our case, the use case here is, hey, I'm speaking to a marketer in Nashville. Who else is in Nashville who's a marketer that's a Pavilion member that I can connect them with? That is like a very common, there you go, John. It's exactly you, man. So that's really where I'm excited about, is like finding ways to make reps more efficient. And then on the marketing side, because marketing was the number one adopted use case, I mean, the use cases are very, I guess, more prevalent in day to day, is around copy creation, doing research on accounts, generating account-based landing pages that are personalized. I'm seeing a lot of that happening now, but it's really around content creation.